Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preheating to 220 degrees C so the edges set quickly while the center remains molten. Once done, grease and cocoa dust 4 ramekins. This prevents sticking and promotes a clean release. Melt 120 g dark chocolate with 100 g butter gently. Avoid burning because burned chocolate tastes bitter. Meanwhile, beat 2 whole eggs and 2 yolks with 80 g sugar until ribbon-like. This traps air for lift. Fold the chocolate into the eggs carefully to keep that aeration. You want a smooth, glossy batter. Now you sift 40 g flour and fold it in gently so you don't lose all the air. This creates structure while keeping the center gooey. Once the base is combined, chop 4 Happy Happy Biscuits into small chunks. These add texture and a playful flavor contrast, so fold them in evenly. Divide batter into the prepared ramekins, filling each about 3/4 full to allow rise. Tap each ramekin lightly to release big air pockets. This prevents large holes and helps an even bake. You bake for 10 to 12 minutes at 220 degrees C. Watch for set edges and a slightly jiggly center. That's your cue for molten middle. Once out, rest ramekins 1 minute, then invert onto plates. The quick rest lets the exterior firm enough to release cleanly. Serve immediately with ice cream or cream so hot cake meets cold accompaniment. If the center is overcooked, make 2 adjustments next time. Lower oven 10 to 15 degrees C and shorten bake by 1-2 minutes. This prevents full set and restores.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.